Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the YouTube comment sentiment analysis using Python. So this is the complete web page. Let's scroll the complete website. Let's scroll up and you can paste the YouTube video link. Okay, let's open that video. So this is Mr. Beast video. Let's click on the submit button. So it will analyze it. We can see in the terminal. The model will load. So this type project we are developing related to Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Java, Android. If you are searching at a project, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon.
Positive comments 104, negative comments 25, neutral comments 371.
Yeah, it will show the output like the complete workload, positive workload, negative, bar chart, emoji and pie chart. This is the positive workload. This is the negative workload. This is the bar chart. It will show the positive, negative and neutral sentiment with the frequency. And it will show the pie chart like the positive, negative and the neutral. And this is the dataset CSV file, and it contains the comments with the 1 and 0. Like positive, negative and neutral with the emoji sign. So let's scroll down. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.